Welcome friends. Today we'll discuss Adani Power Ltd. It's a large cap company with a market cap of about 2,34,000 crores. Adani Power Ltd is a part of diversified Adani Group and is the largest private thermal power producer in India. The company, along with its subsidiaries, sell power generated from these projects under a combination of long-term power purchase agreements and short-term power purchase agreements on merchant basis. Now let's have a look at uh, the financial highlights of the company for Q4 FY 2023. The continuing revenue has grown by about 29% on year-to-year basis, and continuing EBITDA growth is 126% on year-on-year basis, and reported profit before tax growth is about 296% on year-on-year basis, and in terms of consolidated operating highlights for Q4 FY 2023, commercial availability under PPAs for the financial year 24 was about 90%. Generation performance PLF was 65% for financial year 2024. Dispatch performance in terms of billion units saw a jump of 48% on year-to-year basis, while the revenue mix was about 82% in conventional thermal production, while 18% was in terms of non-conventional production of electricity. So as you know, EPL is part of the Adani Enterprises Group, and in APL, the promoters hold about 71.8%. So Adani Powers is a multifaceted power producer having its core business of power generation, wherein it's India's largest private thermal power producer and ultra-modern fleet with strong growth pipeline. Under embedded expertise, they've got solid fuel and fly ash sourcing and disposal logistics management and embedded logistics function among India's largest uh, companies in the sector. While in value enhancement, training and vendor development is part and parcel of the company, and they are seeing emerging opportunities in terms of waste management, wherein they create value through waste products and strengthening local industrial base. If we have a look at the uh, growth of the company in terms of capacity, in 2009, they had a capacity of only 0.33 gigawatts, which was increased to 0.99 gigawatts in 2010, and it became 4.6 gigawatts in 2012. And today, it's almost three times at about 15.25 gigawatts in 2023. So Adani Power's operational capacity as of now is 12.45 gigawatts, wherein 1.6 gigawatts is under development. APL's portfolio is strategically located and is diversified in terms of near pitted plants coastal plants, and hinterland plants. In near pithead plants, they have a capacity of about 8 gigawatts, wherein they have a plant at Tiroda, Maharashtra, Raipur, Chhattisgarh, Raigad, Chhattisgarh, Mahan 1 at MP, and Mahan 2 again in Madhya Pradesh. In coastal, they have got two plants, one in Mundra, Gujarat, and the other is Udupi, Karnataka. In hinterland, they have Kawai in Rajasthan and Goda in Jharkhand. So in terms of revenue, the company has shown a CAGR of 21% for the last 5 years, and it has grown from the revenue has grown from 27,000 crores to almost double in FY24, which stands at about 60,000 crores. Again, the financing cost has been reduced over a period of time from 5,300 crores to 3,388 crores. EBITDA has grown at a CAGR of 41% in the last 5 years from 7,000 crores to nearly 28,000 crores, while PAT has grown from negative 2,200 crores in FY22, 2020 to 20,829 crores in FY24. So if we have a look at the key highlights of Q4 FY23, APL's credit rating has been upgraded by CRISIL and India ratings from A to AA negative. Uh, Resolution Professionals of Lanco, Amar Kanta Power Limited, and uh, with a operational capacity of 600 megawatts, wherein 1,320 megawatts is under construction, has issued letter of intent post approval of APL's resolution plan by COC under corporate debt resolution process. APL has initiated development of two by 800 megawatts, that is 1.6 gigawatts, ultra supercritical thermal power phase power project at phase 2 expansion of its existing 600 megawatt capacity at Raigad, Chhattisgarh. APL has consolidated standalone term loan facility of erstwhile SPVs into a single rupee term loan facility of 19,700 crores with an average maturity of approximately 8 years and door-to-door maturity of 14 years. MEL, a subsidiary of APL, entered into a 20-year long-term PPA of 500 megawatts in Reliance Industries under the captive user policy as defined under the Electricity Rules 2005. Now we'll have a look at the key financials of the company. The market cap of the company is about 2,350 crores as on date, and the current trading price, stock price, is about 608 rupees. The stock made a high of 647 in last 52 weeks, and 214 was the 52-week low. The stock is trading at a P/E of 11.3, while the book's value is of 112. That means the stock is trading at about 5.5 times its book value. ROCE is 32.2%, ROE is 57.2%, while debt to equity ratio is zero point 0.8, which is okay for a power generating company. Promoters hold a decent 71.8%, in the company. Now we'll have, though we have discussed the quarterly performance, but in a nutshell, we can see that the sales on quarter-to-quarter basis has increased from 12,991 crores to 13,364 crores in the current quarter, and the operating profit margins have remained constant at 36%. Profit before tax has increased from 3,210 crores to 3,558 crores, and net profits have also increased, have rather remained flat at 2,738 crores in the previous quarter, and in this quarter it was 2,737 crores. While if we see the yearly performance of the company, last year the company generated a revenue of 38,773 crores, while this year it generated a revenue of 50,351 crores. Last year the operating profit margin was about 26%, and this year it stood at 36%. So accordingly, the profit before tax has also increased from 7,675 crores to 20,792 crores. And if we have a look at the net profit of the company, it has increased, it has actually doubled from 10,727 crores to 20,829 crores in this financial year. Having a look at the balance sheet of the company, the reserves are at about 39,288 crores. Borrowings stand at 34,616 crores. And if you can see, they have reduced their debt from 42,000 crores to about 34.6 thousand crores. And if we look at the cash from operations, it has increased from 8,431 crores to 14,170 crores. Now, having a look at the shareholding pattern, promoters hold 71.75% in the company, FIs hold about 16% in the company, DIs hold just 1.41%, while the public holds about 11% in the company. So this is it about Adani Power Limited. We'll meet up soon in a new video. Till then, take care and have a good time.